To factory reset your Echo speaker, make sure it's plugged in and powered on. Then, press and hold the volume down and microphone off buttons. You can find these buttons on almost every Echo speaker. And continue to press these buttons for 20 seconds until you see the device light up orange, or until the screen turns off. It can take several minutes for your device to reset, so be patient.
Resetting your device. This'll take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
This will erase the Echo speaker, but it does not delete your Amazon account, Alexa routines, or your other smart home devices.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
If you plan on giving your Echo speaker away, or selling it, you can unplug it at this point. If you're not near your device, you can also reset it and remove it from your account using the Alexa app. To do this, open the Alexa app on your smartphone and go to Devices. Then, select your Echo speaker from the list of devices. To make things easier, tap Device Type and choose Echo and Alexa. Then tap Apply. This filters out all your other connected devices, so you only see your Echo speakers. Once you select a speaker, tap the gear icon. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Deregister. Once your device has been reset, you can quickly set it up again in the Alexa app. To do this, go to Devices and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then, go to Add Device, Amazon Echo, Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. Next, make sure your Echo speaker is flashing orange. If not, press and hold the volume down and microphone off buttons again for 20 seconds. Then, select your device when Alexa finds it. You'll need to have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone for Alexa to connect to your device. Finally, follow the instructions to connect your Echo speaker to Wi-Fi. Choose where it's located, and change any other settings. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.